Hey Michael, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, it is a great looking site. Looks really professional, and whoever built it did a really good job with call to action spread throughout. That will really help with your conversion rates. And it looks like you guys have a good amount of content as well. I would add about 500 more words to this homepage because Google has what's called crawlers and they crawl the internet 24/7. And so what they're doing is they're looking through all of the content on here, as well as what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords and to see if you're providing value to your clients. And so one example of a keyword is Foundation Repair Gainesville, Georgia. So anything that your clients are searching for in the Google search bar, that's what's called a keyword. And so the first thing that populates here are some ads. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And it's really good that you guys are ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you maintain staying in the top 3 spots is making sure you're staying up to date with your getting those 5-star reviews, as well as having good amount of citations and geotagged photos. And then you also want to have your website ranking down here. And so this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing here. And so it looks like you do see the importance of being on the first page here. I see you guys have an ad. 90% of people will stay on this first page. And you want to be as high up as possible because the top 3 spots get a lot of that 90%. So let's take a look at the competitor for this main keyword here. They also have good call to actions throughout their site. And it looks like you guys are beating them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end of each site, and let's start with your competitor here. These ratings, the UR and the DR, is pulled from Google data. And what these reference are the authority and the trustworthiness of a website. So your competitor, they have 38 and 29. And what's making up their ratings here are the 8.78 thousand backlinks that they have. And these backlinks are coming from 504 referring domains. So what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one. It's kind of like a shout out. And it is important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers here, as well as spammy ones that will bring them down. So you do want to be intentional while backlinking. And then your competitor, they have 5.5 thousand keywords on their website. Now if we go on over to your website here, you will have 7 and 9. What's making up your ratings here are the 76 backlinks coming from the 24 referring domains. And then you guys have 119 keywords on your website. And so what we'd want to do here is we'd want to boost the UR and the DR to beat out your competitors so that Google is pushing you up higher on the Google search page. And then we'd also want to make sure that all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you, the services that you provide, and the areas that you service are on your website so that you are being found for what you'd want to be found for. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. We can go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. As well as we can take a look at some of the keywords that they're ranking for. And so with your website, just a quick recap, I would recommend having some more content added to that website, as well as having those high quality backlinks linked to your website so that you are showing up and being boosted up higher than all of your competitors. Because the more people that land on your site, the more people will be converting to your clients. So I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.